Staring at that sleek Monese debit card, but don't know how to unleash its power? It's sitting there in your wallet, a beautiful piece of plastic just waiting to be used for your next online purchase or that well-deserved coffee. The good news is, activating it is a breeze. It's not a complicated bank procedure, it's a simple process that you can complete in a matter of minutes. Now, before we get to the simple steps, you'll need two things: your Monese debit card and your smartphone with the Monese app installed. Got those? Great. Let's get started. First, open up the Monese app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see a notification on the home screen asking you to activate your new card. Can't see it? No problem. Just go to the card section of the app and you'll find the option there. Tapping on the activation button will prompt you to enter the last 4 digits of your card number. This is a security step to make sure you're activating the right card. Once you've entered those, you'll be asked to set up your PIN. Now, this is a very important step. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Once you've set your new PIN, you'll be able to see it within the app for reference if you forget. And that's it. Your Monese debit card is now activated. You can now make purchases online, in-store, and withdraw cash from ATMs. Just remember that for your first in-store purchase, you'll need to use your PIN to complete the transaction. After that, contactless payments will be automatically enabled and you'll be able to tap and go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.